Uploading consciousness. Stand by.
Thank you. And punish these bandits for me. I trust you won't betray us. Candy Rev Omega.
Apology accepted.
I'm part of the family.
No problem.
Welcome to the family.
25% complete.
We shot 5 men to get this here for dice.
Clicky math rocks.
I see too many people like us die while trying to protect the weak.
Everyone remember your spot in line. You're going to get a number. We're doing this deli style.
Frankie, your camera angled up.
Excuse me. Up north. Let's go up north. Dancing with the devil in the pale moonlight. Oh.
75% complete.
Yo! Holy that he's a cyborg, that he's gonna be what we are. Not that we're gonna be. You got your key here. So you are all set. And this is a gift for not betraying us. And especially not betraying me.
Bud, let's get this started.
100% complete. Welcome home.
I did. Yep, I got it. Alright, awesome.
Hello, Frank here once again for the last chapter in the Revelations Omega series. We have uploaded our consciousness to Mother. We have won the event. With my consciousness fading in and out, we have to help secure John's spot in the vault and punish those bandits. Before we do that, I would like to mention my sponsor, Jackal Tactical. Jackal Tactical is everything you need, whether you're starting out or building your next replica from scratch. They have rifles, pistols, snipers, LMGs, BBs, gear, a huge U selection, and so much more. Come check them out at jacktac.com or in person at 729 Walnut Street, Lebanon, PA, or at their ambush location during Airsoft walk-ons. Links are in the description below.
We got there. Yeah, good times. Brother, I did it. Came one with them. I'm gonna probably pass out in a little bit, but my last act is gonna be helping you guys out.
Alright, don't pass out.
Try not to. Thought I lost it for a second.
You got your coin already?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I became one with Mother.
So you're not here, you...
No, I'm here. My consciousness is fading. But where's John? John's in line?
Yep. We're just protecting you. Frank's no longer Frank, PJ.
Well, my consciousness is fading. So, my last act is helping our first timer
before I lose consciousness.
And also go on a killing spree with Warpath.
What?
Or against Warpath.
Oh, against
Warpath.
I was about to say.
No. Never give it up, never give it up.
You guys are the protection wall, correct?
Well,
I appreciate someone. I got 3 in my pocket.
Protection wall.
I already got one.
Thank you. Too much, pop the smoke and get a wall.
Warpath? Not now.
Oh, I know. I'm just thinking.
Oh no, they're trying to figure out how making a nice little
No. Hold here. That we should probably have 1 or 2 guys. Oh, we do have a couple guys. Maybe like 1 more guy up there.
We've got security down.
All right, if you got security down, then you got it.
Probably gonna spread the security out a bit more.
Takes 1 minigun.
Before that thing starts.
Guns up. Who's this guy?
Hey, brother!
Hey.
What are your intentions?
No, stop! 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 Who the hell are you?
Shoot him!
Guys, watch! Did I get him?
No.
I'm glad you didn't hit me in the head by accident.
I'm glad I didn't hit you in the head by accident.
He just sprinted at us and nobody fired. Okay, I guess he knows it. Stop! No!
No, no, no! Don't kill him! They're a part of mother! That's mother, that's mother! It's mother! We don't know who you... Oh, your mother? Let them through. Let them through. They already got their victory coin. They have no quarrel.
Mom!
I will be joining you guys once my first timer gets in. Hold on. Hold up.
Huh?
This one I got.
Clank.
Clank. Alright.
Let's go.
Well, I got a first timer here that I've been nurturing. Bunker. I gotta help him out, and then I'm gonna join you. Where are you going? You're going to town?
Dude, we're just causing as much chaos.
Got it. I'll join you once he's in.
Good luck, Wastelander.
With everything secure, I bid PJ, Noah, and John goodbye, and I go fight Warpath.
Hey. Noah, PJ. If they're not gonna open it in the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna go fight Warpath.
Go ahead, go for it.
Good. Then, PJ, here's my smoke. Something's telling me I gotta go fight Warpath for you guys.
Huh?
Something's telling me I gotta go fight Warpath for you guys. Look,
I was told that index was gonna be 4:30.
it's
4 instead of 4:30.
it's 4:35.
We wouldn't have left our freaking outpost yet if we knew that index wasn't happening yet.
Yeah.
Hey, we might need that nade of yours. We might need that nade of yours.
Oh, it's Rooster. I'm gonna go in town. Hey guys, hang on one sec. Guys, I'm gonna help you out real quick and just give you some info. There's another bunker up the road.
What?
There's another bunker up the road. There are road guards. There are people defending the bunker. If you get a little too antsy, they may shoot you. They're not gonna loot you, they're trying to help players. So please, I don't know. I'm just saying, if you get denied here, there's no one over there. Just be careful if you go to that one. Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing all right.
So, is it good if you go full waste or no?
I don't know. I don't know what the capacity is. All I know is that I know bands can get denied.
Right.
So if you get denied, you have a second chance up there immediately up the road.
Right. So they're just going to start popping up around or no?
No, that's if you're a threat. If you don't have the item to survive, then you're going to get turned away.
Gotcha.
That kind of like last year. Yes. Be careful when you go up there. There's road guards.
Road guards? What, from others?
For the vaults.
For the vaults from others?
The vaults are Vault-Tec. That they're basically all done. Their mother's basically all done. If you have what you need for mother, you can go through. If you have what you need for the vault, they might be full, but the skirmish bands can always be rejected by the skirmish system.
Okay.
So go up there. If you have a band, good luck. I already got mine. Hey guys. Hey guys, I already got my victory coin, so I'm not trying to screw you guys over. But if any of you get rejected, there's a bunker at the blood pit, and there's a bunker halfway between blood pit and up where mother is, okay? So if your thing doesn't work, you can go there, it's pretty safe. Except for the one between mother and blood pit, there's road guards.
Oh, road guard?
Road. R-O-A-D. Right. Right. Hey, I'm getting in the Connex. Getting in the Connex. Getting in the Connex.
It's open.
No, the other Connex.
Not the official way.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Don't just whine.
It's a lever action.
I see everyone's going to the right side of Cannibal Village, so I decided to go to the left.
Moving the tree. Moving the tree. Moving the tree. I'm moving the far left Connex. Moving the far left Connex.
need to stand back. I can do it if you want. Shout out.
Yo.
Also, it's getting pretty dark, so I'm honestly having some difficulty seeing, but you guys aren't.
It's the back way, man. Hit! Hit! Jesus fuck.
Revelations Omega. Omega. Is this the end? Well, I hope not. Loads of people want this event series to continue in some way. If it's a new storyline or a continuation after Omega, we don't know. Everyone I talked to had a ball at the event. The NPCs are getting better and better each year, the field keeps improving, and the gameplay improved over Revelations Rev 12, relating to not everything being like Disneyland with the lines. I hope to go back next year to continue my story, and I hope all you join me in watching my journey. Thank you all for watching. Thank you everyone for watching this series. I honestly do it for you guys. I hope to do this again in the future, and I'll see you around, guys.